I'm Aaron Bishop. I'm Machine Technology Manager at Akkerman Incorporated. Akkerman started building tunneling equipment in 1973, evolved from a construction company, and it's been growing ever since. We build underground pipe jacking and tunneling equipment from 4 inches to 14 foot in diameter. My job responsibilities are programming, working with people like Joel for introducing new equipment to increase productivity. When we purchased a VTR 350, we needed the size, the capacity, the technology behind it. These things cut off days of cycle time. The service on the other supplier that we had really fell short. They didn't have anything that was that size. Morris has really stepped up in that end. One of our core values at Akkerman is teamwork. And I think that Morris has really fit that very well. Anytime we have any issues, they're always a phone call away. Our MCR was crashed on a Thursday. They were here on Friday so that we were making parts again on Monday to continue with what we were doing. Whether they can fix it that day or the next day or maybe 2 days down the road, they still keep in contact and let us know what's going on. Morris and Akkerman, our core values really meet together, so it makes it a better relationship. Getting service down, implementing new machines. Joel's always here to show us and help guide us so that we make the right purchase to grow our company. Anytime we want to acquire something or some new technologies out, makes my job a lot easier, makes everybody at Akkerman's job a lot easier. You know, for us, it's not just the sale. It's what comes after the sale that makes them a good company to pair with. And that's what works the best for us.